Next, we have discussion and possible action to approve the bills, payroll, and monthly reports. We'll start with our treasurer.
Good morning, Judge and honorable commissioners. Raul Reyes, County Treasurer for the record. This morning I have two items, the presentation of bills and disbursements, and I also have my monthly report for the month of December 2020. I'm just waiting for the slide to, there it goes. For the period of January 8th, 2021 through January 21st, 2021, we received and reviewed 345 invoices, for which 189 checks were processed, totaling $669,265.54. We also received and reviewed 250 invoices and processed 90 electronic fund transfers totaling $1,227,415.93. On the next slide, you'll see the payments released prior to today's meeting. Those totaled $891,683.57. And that represents 797 invoices paid through 86 checks and 38 electronic fund transfers. During that same period, on the next slide, we had 28 invoices totaling $31,818.92, which were paid with 24 checks and 25 checks and 3 EFTs, for which formal approval and ratification will be needed during today's meeting. I don't know if anybody has any questions regarding this first segment of the bills and disbursements.
Would you like us to go ahead and move a motion to go ahead and do your ratifications?
To approve the bills and disbursements and also the ratification. Yes, Your Honor.
So moved.
Second.
Very good. I have a motion, a second. Any opposed? Motion carries. You may proceed, sir. Thank you.
Yes, and for informational purposes, for the pay period of January 1st, 2021, on the next slide, through January 14th, 2021, the total gross wage and liability disbursements for the county's payroll totaled $3,989,179.08. And then finally, on the next slide, also for informational purposes, the estimated approved amount in regards to the Casablanca Golf Course payroll for the January 15th, 2021 pay date was $30,000, and the actual disbursement amount was $24,918.01. It's not included in the slide, Your Honor, only because we received it, I want to say maybe close to 5:00 p.m. on Friday. That's all I have for the bills and disbursements checks section. I don't know if anybody has any questions regarding any content.
Any questions or comments, colleagues?
Do we need a motion to approve that?
No, it's already been approved, Commissioner.
Thank you.
We're good?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we're good. Okay, very well.
All right.
Thank you very much. How's your mama doing?
She's doing good, Your Honor. She's a fighter, so she's there, little by little. Her recovery is a little bit long, but, she's hanging in there. Thank you so much for asking.
She just had a birthday, correct?
Yes, she turned 58 years old on the 20th of January, so we were very blessed to have her home.
Prayers for your beautiful mom, Migo. Prayers for your mom.
Absolutely. I do have one more item, Your Honor, and that is my monthly report for the month of December 2020.
Very well.
Section 1 highlights the county's portfolio and bank reconciliations for the month of December 2020. The total cash at the end of December was $142,487,212.33. Our total investments for the month of December were $17,944,863.53. The total portfolio of the county in December of 2020 was $160,432,075.86. Now, the interest earned on all of our bank accounts with Falcon International Bank was $190,540.00. On the next slide, you'll see our rate of return interest rate for our tax pool accounts. That actually dropped from the previous month to 0.0909%. The weighted average with multi-bank securities is 1.4100%. And then, of course, our interest rate with our depository is 1.5000%. So we've been doing very good keeping our money with our depository. And the full report is actually, in terms of how we're doing, is actually in the monthly report. Section 2 highlights the details of our county investments. And just to recap, the total interest earned for December 2020 on our investments with tax pool and multi-bank securities is $11,291.53. On the next slide, we'll see that Section 3 highlights the total checks issued from the general operating account. The total disbursements from the general fund were $13,459,166.61. On the next slide, with respects to Section 4, this includes the activities pertaining to sales tax, bingo, and mixed beverage collections. In December, our total sales tax income was $1,429,881.00. The sales tax income did exceed this year's projected income by $79,881. But unfortunately, it does represent a decrease of the previous fiscal year of 5.1860%, which represents $78,210. But however, overall, if you see there, we are over $280,748 within the first quarter of this fiscal year. With regards to the bingo and mixed beverage tax on the next slide, we did have $88,201.42 in revenue during the month of December for the reporting quarter with respects to the beverage tax. Our next item on the next slide highlights Section 5, which is all the rents paid and received. All rental income was received and our rental liabilities were paid as indicated in the spreadsheet of the actual monthly report. In December, our rental income was $7,530.24. And on this slide, it highlights the rental liabilities, which were $24,508.40. Section 6 on the next slide represents our current debt service payments with the respective due dates. And then on the next slide, you'll see that during the month of December, we had no principal payments or interest payments processed. And that as of the 31st of December of 2020, our COB's balance was $164,266,305.99. The total amount of lease payments in December, as indicated on the next slide, was $337,126.06. And then finally, Section 7, this includes our permanent school fund report. We did receive $80,940.83 in royalties during the month of December. The available ending balance is $1,706,048.78. And I also like to point out on the next slide and inform the court that the permanent school fund disbursements for fiscal year 2020 were processed on the 7th of January of this year and will be reflected on my next month's monthly report. And the total amount is right there, $1,339,626.74. That is all I have this morning, Your Honor.
Thank you, Raul. I appreciate you very much, and hope all is well. We don't need anything else, right? No other further action needed?
No, just to accept the monthly report.
Motion to accept the monthly report.
Second.
Very good. Second it. Motion seconds. Any opposed? Motion carries. Thank you.